Welcome to my honest review of ProSeries Tax Software, a professional tool developed by Intuit that aims to streamline the tax preparation process for accountants and tax experts. Whether you're managing individual returns or handling complex corporate filings, ProSeries offers a range of features designed to save you time and increase accuracy. In this video, I'll walk you through the key aspects of the software, from installation and setup to its most advanced capabilities. Starting with the interface, ProSeries boasts a clean, user-friendly design that's intuitive for seasoned professionals and easy to navigate even for those new to tax software. The dashboard is well organized, with tabs for clients, forms, and e-filing. Adding new clients is straightforward, and ProSeries provides robust tools for importing previous year's data from other software, making it a time saver during the busiest seasons. One of ProSeries' standout features is its vast library of tax forms. It includes everything from individual 1040s to business-specific forms like 1120s and 990s. The software also integrates with QuickBooks, allowing seamless data transfer for businesses that already use Intuit's ecosystem. This integration reduces the likelihood of errors and provides a holistic view of a client's financials. Another highlight is its error-checking system. As you input data, ProSeries automatically flags potential mistakes or inconsistencies, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. This real-time feedback not only prevents costly errors, but also boosts client confidence in your services. For multi-client management, the batch e-file feature is a game-changer, allowing you to submit multiple returns simultaneously. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore helpful tools and tips that complement your tax preparation journey. The software offers various pricing tiers, which cater to professionals with different needs. From paper return plans to unlimited filing options, there's flexibility to match your workload and budget. During my experience, I found the customer support to be responsive and knowledgeable, which is crucial when dealing with time-sensitive tax filings. Despite its many advantages, ProSeries is not without its drawbacks. For example, its updates can sometimes be time-consuming, especially during peak filing times. Additionally, while its integration with other Intuit products is strong, connecting it with third-party tools requires additional effort or workarounds. Overall, ProSeries is a powerful solution for tax professionals seeking a reliable, efficient, and feature-rich software. Its advantages outweigh its minor drawbacks, making it a worthwhile investment for accountants and tax preparers. If you're considering ProSeries for your practice, this review should give you a clear understanding of what to expect and how to get started. Thanks for watching this ProSeries tax software review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more detailed reviews of professional tools and resources. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content.